Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to log in to netspend.com. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Netspend is a leading provider of prepaid debit MasterCards and Visa cards. It specializes in reloadable prepaid debit cards for consumers who lack access to traditional banking or typically rely on alternative financial services. In order to log into netspend.com, go open your web browser and then search for netspend.com, and soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page right here. In order to log in, go and tap on the login button at the upper right corner of the screen, and on the next page, under account login, enter your username in the text field. Now, move on to the next field and type in your password for your account. If you want the site to remember your username, tap on the box that says remember username, but if you are using a public or a shared device, make sure to uncheck this box. Now, if you have your credentials correct, you can go ahead and tap on the login button. But in case you've forgotten your username or your password, you can tap on forgot your username link right here, and for your password, tap on the password link. Follow the instructions and you'll be able to retrieve your username and reset your password. After tapping on the login button, you'll be able to log into your Netspend account in no time. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.